Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Google Merchant Center for product listings, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Google Merchant Center for product listings, begin by logging into your Google Merchant Center account. Navigate to the Business Information section. Under Business Information, locate the Website tab. Enter the URL of your website in the provided field. Click on the Save button to confirm your changes. Next, proceed to the Settings menu located in the left-hand sidebar. Select Website from the drop-down options. You will find various methods for verifying your website. Choose the preferred verification method that suits your needs. The recommended methods include HTML file upload, HTML tag, Google Analytics, or Google Tag Manager. If you opt for the HTML file upload, download the verification file provided. Upload this file to the root directory of your website using an FTP client or your web hosting service. Once the file is successfully uploaded, return to Google Merchant Center and click on Verify. Paste this tag into the header section of your website's homepage. After adding the tag, go back to Google Merchant Center and click on Verify. For the Google Analytics method, ensure your Google Analytics account is linked to your Merchant Center account. Click on Verify after confirming the link. If using Google Tag Manager, ensure your container is correctly installed on your website. Return to Google Merchant Center and click on Verify. Upon successful verification, you will see a confirmation message. Next, navigate to the Product section on the left sidebar. Click on Feed. This will allow you to set up your product listings. Follow the prompts for adding your product data feed. Ensure your feed complies with Google's product data specifications for optimal results. After setting up your feed, return to the dashboard. Check for any errors or warnings in the Diagnostics tab. Resolve any issues indicated to ensure smooth listing of your products. Once everything is set up, monitor your account for any further notifications or updates. This process will ensure your Merchant Center account is properly authenticated for listing your products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.